Hi guys, last weekend I had a wedding in Newcastle, which is about 2.5 hours away from Sydney. That's a new location to me. I've never shot in Newcastle before professionally. It's a wedding, it's a paid client, the expectations set right there. That's why a week before I actually went to Newcastle and do location scouting. And in this video I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you a bit more insights about why location scouting is actually very important and why you should do location scouting, especially for the paid client. We're doing location scouting. We're looking for the tunnel, so that might be the tunnel. Look at this. Ready? Ready? Ta-da! Awesome, right? Let's jump in. I think we've got so many photo potentials in this tunnel. We're almost up to the other end. Apparently the tunnel is not too long. I think 200 meters or less. So that's the one end, and that's the other end. Location one, cracked. And I'm shooting the weddings. I reckon I'm probably gonna use this end rather than the other end because there's so much traffic here. Bicycles, people walking past. So if I'm using this end, at least I can maintain like a straight vision from that side as well as on that side, a pretty straight line on both sides. So at least when we're doing the photos, people can see us doing the photos and they can slow down. So many bicycles are actually riding past here at high speeds. So this is definitely a great option. So the walk from the parking area, probably about 100 meters. It's not too bad. We're gonna use this location for sure. So let's scout to the next location. Location number 2. We're at Shepherd's Hill. The thing is, I'm not sure if I'm going to shoot in this location because there's a lot of human traffic and the parking is not really accommodating for wedding cars as well. There's a really cool bridge. I might use it as one of my locations, I might not, depending on the day, but this is probably not the priority because of the parking's over there. The parking's a bit tight, especially for the wedding cars, I think, for the limo. Okay, so the reason why you need to go location scouting is so that you can actually maximize the opportunities for getting nice photos. So a couple of things that you need to check when you're location scouting. Check the lightings. That's very important for photographers. So how the lightings will be during the certain hours. Is there any backlit? Is it a harsh light? Is it a soft light? What's the best time to shoot? How is the light actually angling? And you also need to check the accessibility. With the parking suitable for wedding cars? And how far is it to walk to the location if it involves walking? And you gotta remember, brides and bridesmaids are very likely to be in the hills. So it is very important to make sure they are comfortable to get to the location. And also check for potential hazard. Is it a busy area? Is it a quiet area? Is it near the water? What's the risk? You might want to take some photos just to remind you how the location looks like. When you look at the photos and the videos again, you might go, oh, it will be really nice to position the bride and groom in this corner over here where the light is actually shining from the front or from the back, whatever the case may be. And of course, the end goal will be to take the best photos possible. And they're paid clients, people pay you for a reason. Every single client is an opportunity, so you want to maximize the opportunities for them to refer you to their friends, to their mates, to their families.
Quite some time, and I don't know if you have heard that.
That's it guys. If you like this short video about me talking about the location scouting, please consider subscribing. Red Imagination Photography, you know the drill, you know what to do. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. It's a bit noisy here, but it's got beautiful background. See ya.
can't live without your love for sure.